boy got Batmobiles. Fuck them boy get Batmobiles. YouTube, back with another video. As you can see, I got my tires changed. Just came from the tire shop. I didn't really able to get no clips in because this old man was toughing my head off. But got new tires, all 4. And I also got some tires in the back. Hold on. Some tires in the back. We got 2 front rear tires in the back that we're gonna be using later. This is gonna be our sliding tire. Feel me? So I ain't gotta keep wasting money on the tire. And I got warranty on all 4 tires. So, it's right here. Dog these bitches. Get another tire in the back. There we go. Got this tire. That's right here. My sliding tire. That's my mom's tire right there. Get the stars done. Stay tuned. Officially made it. Gonna get the stars put in. Oh. It's almost flew up. Hopefully. Yeah, it's right here. It's windy as hell. Wait till y'all see this bitch inside. It's tough. Gonna get right. It's just before. Just gonna put it in. Sir, finna get a wash, finna get outside. My other homie got a Charlie, so I'm gonna take some cool pictures, you know. Get outside. Y'all gonna see the aftermath. Almost done. Just gotta finish this part right here. Yo. I gotta fuck with my boy Chino, man. Tell him where they can find you, Chino.
Oh, what, the girl?
Yeah.
Shot by Chino.
Yes, sir. Follow my boy, man. I'm gonna show y'all the lights. He almost done. Finishing up. Got my boy taking it out. I'm gonna show y'all the after process when it's done. Try to put these in. That shit gonna look nice. Yeah, that shit gonna look nice. Probably put these in front. Let me know in the comments how y'all fuck with the lights, man. I like it. I think they look better than this shit. W. I think that's a W mine right there. You're gonna see how they turn on when bro get done doing all this. See how they all turn on.
Alright, so pretty much I put 800 twinkling starlights.
Yes,
And I
sir.
could change it to any color. And you're able to control it through your phone and shit.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Baby, we back to back. Yeah. Yeah.
You see that shit?
Hell no. Hey, tweaking. Hell no. What the fuck they got going on, bro? We outside, man. Back to back. We got the light gray and the dark gray. Yeah. This one, it's not shit, right? Tweaked? That tweaked, bro. These bitches out here. Alright, we finna where y'all finna slide to? The driver, bro. He know what though he at. He race that every day. SRT 300. Charlie 392. Trailblazer SS 2006. Go. Nah, you was good. This was the road, brother. That's why he had you go down this way. Slow down. You finna come on the curb. He off the gas. He's taking his foot off the gas, bro. Hey, bro, get that. Slow down. Get right. There you go, brother. Be on your senses, bro. Keep steady. On his ass, bro. He moving with that fast 7 over my brother. Slow down, bro. You coming on the curb, bro. Make that turn. He gonna get behind you, bro. Slow down. Let him go. Flash your lights. Put your hand out the window and tell him go. It's a car coming. Go. Let's flush this bitch. Go. Alright, now slow down. Tell him like, alright, go.
I'm gonna do that to his ass. Watch. Is somebody behind him? I'm gonna do it. You ready? You ready, Nick?
When you finna stall the chairs out. Woo! You that shit right, brother. It's cool, folks. Just catch up, brother. Good. Just chill. We gonna probably spin this bitch again.
Send him running back.
Alright, slow down. You gotta see the brakes. You know this is one lane, right?
One lane?
Yeah. It's oncoming traffic. Just going crazy. Go. Go, nigga, go. He ain't gonna wait on you, bro. About to hawk his ass, bro. There you go. Land right. Yeah, they got it done. There's access on that acceleration.
Brody. He stole his dad's car and came out here to Doty Road, man.
Damn, man, that shit fucked up, man.
Who stole that damn car? Right here in front of you.
This?
Yeah.
It's my grandpa's, not my dad's.
Boy, you going to hell. You going to fucking hell. They finna run it? What the fuck they doing?
Yeah, I think so.
Stay right here.
I got you.
watching this bitch. Yeah, we don't know these people, so you gotta, drive accordingly, play defense drive. We don't know how they drive. Look, see, go, go, go. There you go, brother. There you go, brother. Go, go. What's up, yeah? Wait. What's up? Wait. Yeah, go ahead, go.